Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is about Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone price and specification. So first go to our URL usnmix.com. Then there is one report about Samsung Galaxy M10s price and specification. So this is about our topic today, Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone price and specification. Go to the full report. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topic mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. Please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. USNMix report, Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone price and specification. Samsung Galaxy M10s review. Is it really worth the full money on this cheap phone with great design? So it is the cheapest phone below 10,000 and it is the great design and great features. So let's read about the features and specification of this phone. In this era of technology, all the companies are offering such smartphone in the market with special features within the budget segment, in which users have got strong features. Not only this phone have a touch challenge to premium devices. Also, the demand for the affordable priced phones has also increased rapidly. So keeping this demand in mind, Samsung smartphone maker Samsung launched the Galaxy M10s, Samsung Galaxy M10s in September. At the same time, the company has given dual rear camera and HD display in this phone. Today we have brought a review of M10s for you, so that you will know whether this phone is worth buying or not. So after reading these features, you know about whether you like to buy this phone or not. What is the special features, what is the drawbacks of this phone. So you know about if you read this, if you go through the full video. Price and availability of this Samsung Galaxy M10s. The company has introduced the Galaxy M10s in the market with the price tag of rupees 8,999. The phone is available for sale at the online store with black and blue color options. So this is the picture of this phone. This is the black phone, black, and this is the blue option. So these two color options are available with this M10s, this phone. Samsung Galaxy M10s design, body and display. On the other hand, the company has given 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity 5 display in this phone, which has a resolution of 720 into 1560 pixels. Having this display, HD plus of this phone doubles the fun of watching videos and playing games. So this resolution is high, so it is very good to watch this video and playing games. Also, you will get night mode in it. Apart from this, you can adjust this phone icons according to your settings by going to the phone settings. So when you buy this phone, you just see this when you on this phone and click on the upper side of this, just hover this finger on the upper side and you see the one gearbox in the right side, and that is called settings, and from there you will adjust your night mode in the settings section when going to the settings section. Talking about design of this phone, the company has given notch in the display, notch in the 5 display, V display, which makes it attractive. So this the size of this phone is compact, due to which is easy to hold. So it is compact and it is easy to hold this phone. Although the body of this Galaxy M10s is made of plastic, so the body of this smartphone is made of plastic, but it gives the look of glass finish. Not only this, the finished look makes the users feel like a premium phone. So it looks like a higher version, higher more priceable phone. It looks like a premium phone. Samsung has provided LED flashlight with the dual camera setup in the back panel in this phone. In addition, a fingerprint sensor has also been provided for the security of this phone. So fingerprint sensor has also been provided for the security of this phone. Apart from this, you will also get the face unlock features with front camera in it. So also have this face unlock features with this front camera, with this selfie camera, and also the fingerprint sensor for these special features to unlock this phone. As we have seen, very low cost phones have face recognition features, but Samsung's M10s have these features in this phone. So all the features of unlock features are available in this phone. Face unlock and also the fingerprint sensor, and also the pattern is also available. And now the Samsung Galaxy M10s camera. Samsung has given dual rear camera setup in this phone, which has 13 megapixel sensor and a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Along with this, users have got an 8 megapixel camera in front of this phone. So in the front side, 8 megapixel camera is available, and the rear camera is 13 megapixel. So if you get the selfie with 8 megapixel camera and the rear camera is 13 megapixel when you are taking this video, and this is the 13 megapixel camera and 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Talking about the camera features, you can set the frame for this video recording in this phone according to your needs. Not only this, you will get the support of location tag and efficiency mode in it. So all the features are there in this camera. The camera performance of this Galaxy M10s is average, because when you click on the photo at night, the picture will not be clear. On the other hand, when you click on the photo during the day, the picture will be very clear. So in the night, this picture is not very clear, but in the day it is very clear, but it is noise free. At the same time, the special thing about this camera is that there is no noise in this photo. So it is noise free. And also the camera is very good. Performance, you will get these features like live focus, pro, and panorama in this camera in this camera phone. So all these features of this camera is like a digital camera which is available in these other companies like Sony, Nikon, Canon, and all these cameras have all these options, this panorama, pro, and live focus. But this Samsung M10s has also this camera. Also the camera feature is also most probably also all the features are there. The live focus features of this Galaxy M10s is amazing, because you will be able to blur the background in it and click photos according to your own. On the other hand, you will get the option to set ISO color in the Pro features, which will be enable you to click a great picture at your location. This is a one-way manual mode. As is usually the case of professional photography, talking about the front camera, the company has given only live focus and simple photo clicking option, but the photo does not come clear when making video calling. So when you are live video calling, so the photo is not clear. It is little bit hazy, but it is most probably because the megapixel is 8 megapixel. Otherwise, all the features are good. Samsung Galaxy M10s performance. The company has given the octa-core Exynos 788 GB processor for the better performance in Galaxy M10s, which has a speed of 1.6 GHz. Also, the phone works on Android 9.0 Pie operating system. Apart from this, you will get 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage in this phone. So, RAM is 3 GB and internal storage is 30 GB and expandable is 1 TB. So if you want to store more storage, if you need more storage, then you can download it and store it in this internal storage. In the external storage, you can insert micro SD card for external storage, and it will be take 1 TB external storage in this phone. You will have an interruptions you will not have any interruptions in this phone from playing games or watching videos, because the battery option is good and all the sensor is very good. So this is the, you do not play any interruption when you are playing games in this video games, mobile games in this mobile. But also we have seen that the screen of this phone get blanched for some time when the call is received. When you playing this game, when you are playing games and someone calls you, then it is little disturbance and blanched some screen, which may disappointed you little bit. But in other words, the display is turned on after some time when the call is received. Okay, and now not only this M10s proximity sensor also have not worked properly. Even when you talking with this phone, the screen light does not go off, but after putting the emphasis, this sensor works correctly. This cause pressure on the ears, so its light is not off, so it's little bit pressure on this on the ear. So this is the drawbacks of this phone, and but it is morally, it is good. All the but other options is good. You will get better sound quality in this phone, which you make you enjoy watching videos. Apart from this, you will use these earphones. You will get features on Dolby Atoms. With these features, you will be enjoy your song even in more noise. So when you are traveling, when you are in the way, so then when you insert the earphones in your ear, then you just enjoy this song even in the more noise. Samsung Galaxy M10s battery and connectivity. Samsung has given 4000 MHz battery in this phone, which supports the 15-watt fast charging features. Talking about battery backup, this phone works for a day and a half for a single charge. If you will use this phone more, then you may hardly have to charge it once or twice a day. So in a day you will charge two times in a day if you use 24 hours. Otherwise you will charge it within after 2 days. At the same time, this phone takes about 2 hours to charge. So to take full charge, it will take 2 hours to take full charge. 100% charge is taking 2 hours need to 100% charge. On the other hand, the company has provided features like 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, GPS, USB Type-C port in this phone in terms of connectivity. So all these features are available in this phone. So what is this phone worth buying? If you are ready to buying any smartphone in low budget, if you are also thinking of buying smartphone price below 10,000 rupees for yourself, then you can choose Samsung M10s. You will get this phone HD display, better sound support, strong processor and dual rear camera. According to us, Samsung M10s is perfect phone for low budget users. With this, you are also getting a brand value. Okay friends, if you want to buy this Samsung M10s phone, if you want to buy low budget phone, if you want to buy any smartphone with low budget, then it is the best phone for you. M10s phone is very good for you because it is low budget and also all the features and price is reasonable. So that's it about our report about this Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone. That's it. After watching this video, now you can know about all this information about a Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone, specification and price. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share and subscribe of USNMix YouTube channel. After you have any information regarding this video, or if you want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.